In today's Ask Joe, we are going to talk about raising your rates with existing clients. This episode of Ask Joe is brought to you by Conversion Copywriting for Beginners, helping you get the foundational stuff you need to confidently quote more. Today's Ask Joe question comes from Sabine. Sabine says, any tips on how to tell existing clients about the upcoming price hike? Now, this is a fantastic, it's a really good problem to have, that you have existing clients and you're ready to raise your rates. So in the 10X Freelancer, my co-coach, Amy, answers a lot of questions like this, and I loved her answer to this question. So I'm going to read her answer out here. Amy wrote back to Sabine and said, how many clients are we talking about? Do you want to try and keep any of them? Sounds like that's not important. So keep that in mind as you're listening to this. Amy continues, so I would just let them know, send an email, give them a call, and make sure you tell them exactly why you're raising your rates. And then Amy adds in brackets, you know more, you use more skills, you're investing in your business by doing something, so you can command why. Thank them for being lovely and loyal, or whatever is true about them, because they got you where you are, to be able to raise your rates. Now, you don't have to tell them that, but you should have that mindset as you're writing this. That's it. Be gracious, tell the truth, drop the mic, which I think is really fantastic. It's true. A lot of clients are used to their great freelancers they've been working with raising their rates. And sometimes it just happens without any notice. You often don't have to say anything. If they're on retainer and you're about to renegotiate, let's say your 1-year retainer is coming up, you know they're really happy, but you are ready to charge more because you're charging more with all of your other clients that you have, then you have to have a harder conversation at that time that your rates are going up. But again, following what Amy already said is a great way to do that, that honest moment, knowing that what you might hear back is our budget's just not there, or whatever it might be. And then they might walk away. But you have to, usually when you're raising your rates, it's for good reason. So you're not randomly doing it and compromising your whole business for it. So just, it's fair to tell your clients, and don't think that they're not used to hearing that. They're probably used to having talks about promotions with people that they have on their staff. They're used to other freelancers coming in with higher rates without saying a word about it. And so you are allowed to charge for your value, especially as your value continues to grow and grow. Thanks for watching. If you have got a question for a future Ask Joe, be sure to leave it in the comments. If you would like to dive deeper into what we talked about today, head over to copyhackers.com or follow the links in the description. And be sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you do not miss another Ask